There is a hidden camera in your house right now. The footage from this camera has already gone viral online. Thousands of people have watched your most private moments. But here's what will truly horrify you: who planted this camera in your home. You think you know everyone who has access to your house. You trust the people closest to you. But one of them has been secretly recording you for months. The footage is spreading across social media platforms right now. Your face, your private conversations, your daily routines, all captured without your knowledge. The person who did this isn't some stranger who broke into your home. It's not a random criminal or burglar. It's someone you see every day, someone you trust completely. Someone who has been living a double life while watching your every move. The truth about their identity will shock you to your core. You've probably felt something was off lately. That strange feeling of being watched when you're alone. Items in your home moved slightly from where you left them. Sounds you couldn't explain. These weren't your imagination. They were signs that someone was monitoring you. Modern spy cameras are smaller than a button. They can be hidden anywhere, in picture. Frames, smoke detectors, even electrical outlets. Many upload footage automatically to cloud storage without you ever knowing. The camera in your house has been recording everything. Your morning routine, your phone calls, your private conversations, even your most personal moments when you thought you were completely alone. This footage gets uploaded instantly to hidden servers. From there, it spreads to websites you've never heard of. People around the world have access to videos of your daily life. The technology is so advanced that these cameras can record for months without being detected. They're powered by your own electrical system. They have night vision capabilities. They capture crystal clear audio from across the room. Right now, someone is watching live footage of you in your own home, like this video right now, to learn the secret methods for finding hidden cameras in your house. Hidden cameras are placed in the most shocking locations. Your bedroom is the most common target. Bathrooms are the second most frequent location for secret recording devices. Living rooms and kitchens are also prime spots because you spend the most time there. The person planting these cameras studies your daily patterns first. They know exactly where you go and when. These devices are hidden inside everyday objects you would never suspect. That digital clock by your bed might contain a camera. The air freshener in your bathroom could be recording you. Even that phone charger you use every day might have a tiny lens built inside. Some cameras are placed behind mirrors. Others are embedded in wall decorations or fake smoke detectors. The most advanced ones are built into light bulbs that still function normally. The person who planted your camera knew your house layout perfectly. They had time to find the perfect hiding spot. They tested the angle to make sure they captured everything they wanted to see. They probably installed multiple cameras throughout your home. One camera is rarely enough for someone this obsessed with watching you. They want to monitor your entire life from every angle. The camera in your house has been recording for much longer than you think. Comment "reveal" right now if you want to know the shocking identity of who planted this camera. Your private footage has already been viewed over 50,000 times. It started on one website, but quickly spread to dozens of platforms. The internet never forgets, and viral content spreads faster than wildfire. Social media algorithms push this type of content because it gets high engagement. People share shocking videos without thinking about the person being exploited. Your footage is being passed around group chats and private messages. The worst part is how difficult it becomes to remove viral content. Even if you get it taken down from one site, copies appear on 10 others. Screenshot and screen recordings preserve the footage forever. Some platforms make money from this content through advertising. Your private moments are generating profit for strangers while destroying your privacy and reputation. People who know you might have already seen these videos. Your co-workers, friends, or family members could recognize you. The footage includes clear shots of your face and identifying features of your home. Legal action is complex and expensive. Most people never recover from this type of privacy violation. The psychological damage lasts long after the cameras are removed. The person who did this to you knew exactly what would happen when they uploaded the footage. They planned this violation of your privacy carefully. They wanted to destroy your sense of safety and security. If you want exclusive access to professional methods for detecting and removing hidden cameras, you can give super thanks of $5, $10, $20 or more. Each contribution unlocks advanced privacy protection techniques used by security experts. Type 111 right now to unlock the terrifying truth about who has been secretly recording your private life. The person who planted this camera isn't who you think. It's not a stranger who broke into your home. It's not someone from outside your circle of trust. Random criminals don't have the access needed for this type of long-term surveillance. Burglars don't waste time setting up recording equipment. This required someone with regular, unsuspected access to your home. The camera placement shows intimate knowledge of your daily routines. Only someone who knows your schedule could position cameras to capture your most private moments. They knew when you would be alone and vulnerable. This person has been inside your home many times. You welcomed them in without suspicion. You probably offered them food and drinks while they were secretly installing recording equipment. They studied your behavior patterns for weeks before acting. They knew which rooms you used most often. They understood your sleeping schedule and daily habits. This level of surveillance requires obsessive planning. The psychological profile of someone who plants hidden cameras reveals disturbing truths. They crave control and power over their victims. They often appear helpful and trustworthy on the surface while hiding dark intentions underneath. This person has been living a double life around you. They smile to your face while violating your privacy behind your back. They probably act concerned about your well-being while secretly exploiting you. The truth about their identity is worse than you can imagine. Comment "truth" now to strengthen your connection and prepare yourself for this shocking revelation about betrayal. Why would someone close to you plant hidden cameras? The reasons are more disturbing than you think. Jealousy drives many people to secret surveillance. They want to know who you talk to, who visits you, what you do when they're not around. Their obsession with controlling your life consumes them. Some people make money selling private footage to strangers online. Your intimate moments become their source of income. They profit from your violation while pretending to care about you. Others plant cameras to gather information they can use against you later. They collect evidence of your private conversations, your habits, your secrets. This gives them power over you that you don't even realize they have. The need to watch and control comes from deep psychological issues. These people appear normal on the surface but harbor dark desires underneath. They get satisfaction from invading your privacy without your knowledge. The person who did this to you has been planning it for months. They studied your routines, learned your schedule, and waited for the perfect opportunities. They probably acted extra helpful and caring to avoid suspicion. Trust becomes their weapon against you. The closer you are to them, the easier it becomes for them to violate your privacy. For premium content about removing all hidden cameras and protecting your home, give super thanks of $5, $10, $20, or more. Higher contributions unlock professional security methods and legal protection strategies used by privacy experts. Type "shock" now to receive the horrifying truth about who has been secretly watching your every move. Your heart is probably racing right now. The thought that someone you trust has betrayed you this deeply creates a sick feeling in your stomach. You're thinking through everyone who has access to your home. Family members, close friends, romantic partners, people you work with. The list of suspects makes you question everything. There were signs you ignored because you trusted this person completely. Times when they knew things about your day that you never told them. Moments when they seemed to understand your routine too well. They probably asked innocent questions about your schedule. When do you usually shower? What time do you go to bed? Who comes to visit you? These weren't casual conversations. They were gathering intelligence. This person has been watching footage of you for weeks or months. They know your most private habits and personal moments. They've seen you in ways that should be reserved for your most intimate relationships. The calculated nature of their betrayal is what makes this so devastating. Every smile, every kind gesture, every moment of apparent care was hiding their true intentions. You're about to learn something that will change how you see this person forever. The person who planted the hidden camera in your house is someone from your own family. A family member you trust completely has been secretly recording your most private moments. This could be a parent who claims they're protecting you, but actually wants to control every aspect of your life. They justify their surveillance as concern, while violating your basic right to privacy. It might be a sibling who has always been jealous of your independence. They plant cameras to gather information they can use against you, or simply to satisfy their obsession with your personal life. Perhaps it's a romantic partner who says they love you but actually wants to monitor your every move. They check who you talk to, what you do alone, and whether you're being faithful to them. Even extended family members like cousins, aunts, or uncles sometimes cross these boundaries. They have access to your home during visits and use that trust to plant recording devices. The worst part is how they continue acting normal around you. They ask how your day was while already knowing everything that happened. They pretend to care about your privacy while actively violating it. This person has been living a double life. They maintain their loving family role while secretly watching footage of your most vulnerable moments. Comment, betrayed, if this revelation about family surveillance matches what you suspected about someone close to you. Learning that a family member has been secretly recording you creates emotional damage that goes far beyond privacy violation. This betrayal cuts deeper than any stranger's crime because it comes from someone who should protect you. You'll question every interaction you've had with this person. Were they genuine when they showed concern for your well-being? How long have they been watching you? What have they seen that was meant to be completely private? The psychological effects include feeling unsafe in your own home. The place that should be your sanctuary has been turned into a surveillance zone. You might feel paranoid about every corner, every object, wondering what else might be recording you. Trust issues will follow you into other relationships. If a family member could betray you this deeply, who else might be capable of such violation? This creates lasting damage to your ability to form close bonds with others. Your sense of reality gets shaken when you realize someone has been watching you while pretending to care. The gaslighting effect makes you question your own judgment and instincts about people. You might have sensed something was wrong, but dismissed those feelings because you trusted this family member. You can take back control of your privacy and safety. The first step is conducting a complete sweep of your home to find all hidden recording devices. Check every room systematically. Look inside picture frames, behind mirrors, inside electronics, and around light fixtures. Use your phone's camera to scan for hidden lenses that might reflect light. Change your locks immediately. Even family members should not have unlimited access to violate your privacy. Your home needs to become a truly safe space again. Document everything you find as evidence. Take photos of camera locations and save any footage if possible. This documentation protects you legally and helps prevent future violations. Consider professional help for both technical sweeps and emotional support. Security experts can find devices you might miss. Counselors can help you process the betrayal and rebuild your sense of safety. You're not alone in experiencing this type of family surveillance. Many people discover that those closest to them have violated their privacy in shocking ways. Like and share this video to help others identify hidden surveillance and protect themselves from family betrayal. Knowledge is your greatest weapon against privacy violation. Now that you know the truth about who planted that camera, you can take action to protect yourself. You have the power to remove these devices and reclaim your privacy. You can set boundaries with family members who have violated your trust. You can make your home safe again. This betrayal was not your fault. The person who did this made calculated choices to violate your privacy while hiding behind family bonds. You now have the truth. Use it to take back control of your life and protect your future.